Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to reduce chubby cheeks. Many people desire a more defined facial structure, and achieving this often involves a combination of approaches. While you cannot spot reduce fat from just your face, focusing on overall body fat reduction is crucial. We will explore various methods, from simple daily exercises to important dietary adjustments and lifestyle habits. For those seeking more targeted results, we will also touch upon professional treatment options. Let's dive into how you can achieve a more sculpted look. Facial exercises can be a great way to strengthen and tone the muscles in your cheeks, contributing to a more defined appearance. One effective exercise is the mouthwash move, where you puff out your cheeks with air and shift it from side to side for about 1 minute. Another popular one is the fish face, where you suck in your cheeks and lips, holding the pose for 15 seconds. You can also try the cheek lift by smiling widely and lifting your cheeks towards your eyes. Aim to repeat each exercise 5 to 10 times daily for the best results. Your diet and lifestyle play a significant role in how full your face appears. Reducing overall body fat through a balanced diet and consistent exercise is fundamental. It is also important to limit your sodium intake, as excessive salt can lead to water retention and a puffy facial appearance. Staying well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day helps flush out excess sodium. Furthermore, aiming for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can help manage stress hormones that contribute to weight gain and facial fullness. For those looking for more targeted or permanent solutions, several professional treatments are available. Buccal fat removal is a surgical procedure that removes specific fat pads in the lower cheeks, creating a more chiseled appearance. Facial liposuction can also precisely remove excess fat from various areas of the cheeks. Additionally, dermal fillers can be strategically used to enhance other facial contours, creating the illusion of a slimmer face. It is always best to consult with a qualified specialist to discuss your goals and determine the most suitable treatment plan for your unique facial structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.